Hello, my name is Achyuta Pranav. I am from Standard 6. Since yesterday, this laptop hasn't been working. If we tried to switch it on, it wouldn't start. But with the help and guidance of Mr. GK from GK Tech, that is GK Technology, I have been able to fix this laptop.
Now laptop is not power on, no display. First we have to remove the keyboard. Just press 4 insert on the top of the keyboard. Now remove the keyboard. Remove flat cable from the cable holder. Simply release the clip by finger. Now remove both ROMs from two slots. Fix one RAM in the bottom slot, that is first slot. RAM should be fixed properly. Now press power on switch. Now laptop is working. Now again switch off the laptop. Remove the RAM from the first slot and fix the second RAM in the same slot. Now press the power on button. No display. Remove the RAM. Fix the first RAM in the first slot. Now press the power button. Display appears. Now fix the keyboard flat cable in the connector. Keep the keyboard properly. Now press power button. Laptop is working. This is faulty RAM. This cannot be used. But there is a possibility of rectification. That is simply by using a hair dryer. That is provided in a separate video. If you are interested, you can see it and you can do it.
Now it is working perfectly fine. Thank you, Mr. GK.
Now see the flat cable holder fixing removing procedure.